boo, how you doing? Today I'm going to get into something super deep, something that is very personal for me as well as it will be for you. I'm going to get into some self-care routines that I feel like every woman should know about. These tips I'm going to give to you are definitely something that I think you should live by, because every woman needs to tend to herself, have that self-care routine to make sure she remembers the inner baddie that she is and let it shine sometimes. From personal experience, I actually lost, and when I say lost, like I really lost that inner glow for a minute. I dimmed my light for a long time because I would put everyone else before me. I wouldn't really buy myself too much, and if I did buy myself something, I would feel really guilty about it. Fortunately, I seen the light. I had help from like my mom, my sister, you know, after talking with them and things like that. And just finally realizing that I needed to spruce myself up. I focus on these 7 things that I'm going to share with you to help me basically like take care of myself and just glow up. Of course, before we get into this video, I'm going to make sure that you hit that subscribe button if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, and make sure you like this video, leave me a comment if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions for anybody else. So in the meantime, let's get into this video so we can shine, girl. First, I gotta get this lip gloss off because this liner combo wasn't working. Here we go, much better. Okay, so I brought out my trusty little notebook and I got all my notes here so I can make sure I stay on task, because we're gonna make this a very quick and easy video to follow. First thing you need to do is you need to take accountability for the state that you are in and what you're getting ready to do. Sometimes I know it's like easy to blame others for slacking off with our care. And honey, I know we definitely have a lot on our plate as women. We do so much and we take care of so many people that we definitely will allow those circumstances to just cloud everything and blame it for the reason why we're not trying to stay on our A game. No, that is definitely something you need to put to rest, because you are responsible for yourself. Nobody else is going to do it. And the way I always see it is, how can you fill someone else's glass if yours is not even half full? So first step is take ownership, take accountability, declare that you are going to make a difference to change everything. Tip 2, this is very important. This I feel like will either start your day or it will end your day. And it depends on your schedule and how you do things. And that is to create a morning routine or a nighttime routine. That's when you take the time for yourself, where it's completely quiet and you are like in your zone and you're not being bothered by the phone, by the kids, by the husband, whoever, boyfriend, doesn't matter, but you are absolutely in your own element. It's very quiet, and you can take the time to meditate or read, pray, whatever it is that you need to do to kind of like silence your mind from the day coming ahead or the day that has just passed. And a good thing is, between meditating, praying, or reading, or just enjoying a podcast, anything that's going to help you settle your mind and learn something new, or relax and get prepared for the day, or to relax away the day before, this is definitely something that you want to develop and stick with it. Tip 3 would be to take care of your skin. By that I mean, if you are having any type of acne issues, or if you just want to create a healthy routine for taking care of your skin, and that's not just your face, that's also your body, you want to make sure that you find the products that work for your face or your situation that you are dealing with when it comes to your skin. First things first, I always recommend going to a dermatologist if you are dealing with acne. You can use over-the-counter products, of course, but I feel like it's always better to get a professional's opinion. If you have to go the route of your own, definitely look for skincare experts on YouTube that might have the same issue as you do, to see what they tried and what they started with, to kind of get an idea of what you can do for yourself. So I definitely say that to say skincare is important, because that'll definitely contribute to your confidence and how you show yourself to the world. So skincare is something you definitely want to take serious and get into. Okay, next up on my list is hair and nails. It's something about changing your hair that change your whole entire mood. And sometimes it's just that little tweak that'll go ahead and change your whole emotional status around, and you don't always have to spend a ton of money. There are so many DIY videos out there where you can learn how to do your own wigs, how you can do your own braids. If you cannot get to a professional to get it done, of course going to a pro is like bomb diggity, but if you don't have the coins to get it done, then baby, you can learn the simplest styles, and it's right at the tip of your fingers. When it comes to nails, ladies, I am like on a tipping scale, because I feel like whether you have a full set of acrylic or whether you get a gel manicure or whether you just kind of like keep your nails groomed nicely, it all does the same thing. Because the last thing you want to do is have some ugly, dirty looking nails when you want to shake somebody's hand or you're doing a presentation or things like that. So you want to make sure that you keep the maintenance up on your nails. So as I said, for number 4, it is taking care of your hair and your nails, meaning get them done or just do a nice at-home service on yourself. Either way it goes, cleaning yourself up that way will definitely change up everything you feel about yourself. Tip 5 is definitely dear to my heart because I am a fashion girl. I love to keep up with fashion and styling, especially as a 6-foot woman who is finally getting options to go ahead and dress herself, and that is build your capsule wardrobe. So when I say build your capsule wardrobe, whoa, what in the world? What's that? When I say build your when I say build your capsule wardrobe, that doesn't mean go out and just go shopping for a whole bunch of jewelry. I can definitely speak. This is my closet, don't judge. I have a lot of stuff, especially after blogging for a long time. Don't just go and buy a bunch of stuff and think that if you have things in your closet that's gonna make you feel better or that's gonna make you look better, because it really doesn't. Building a wardrobe is actually about knowing your personal style, knowing what fits good on your body, the colors that you love, what makes you feel good inside. And I always recommend starting with neutrals. If you don't like neutrals or if you want color, start with color. It doesn't matter. You need at least 10 pieces that you know that if you put together in an outfit, it's going to make you look good all the time. Even if you have to wear the same pair of jeans 3 times in a week, as long as they're clean, you can go ahead and style that any way you want. The whole key to building your wardrobe is the pieces complement you and who you are. But yeah, your wardrobe should definitely speak to you. It should make you look good and feel good. And that is the tip for number 5. Okay, so number 6. I know you're probably like, why is the light dim? I'm trying to be romantic with you. No, but for real, I'm in my bathroom area. Long story short, my whole vanity light blew out and something's wrong with the fixtures. For tip 6, it is to step up your beauty routine, your beauty game. It doesn't mean that you have to get into this full makeup look just to be like the phenomenal woman that you already are. It is as simple as finding the 3 to 5 products that make you feel and look good. If I had to narrow down to 3 products that I think that you should have on your beauty counter, it would definitely be mascara, lip gloss, and I want to say a good concealer, or maybe even just a good moisturizer. But moisturizer can fall into skincare too. If you want to do the whole full face thing, definitely look at some beauty YouTube videos to see what products you can start with. You can go anywhere from the drugstores, or you can even go to like department stores. You can find a beauty YouTuber that is like your complexion twin, and you can watch their videos to learn what products might work for you and something that you might be interested in. You might even learn a technique or two. So tip number 6 would definitely be to step up your beauty game. Okay, tip 7. And tip 7 would be to find your signature scent. Scent associates situations that you are in. So if you look bomb and you smell bomb, every time somebody smells that scent, they're gonna think of you. And that's why I say find you a signature scent. Now, if you need help finding signature scents, there are different websites out there that you can look into, like Scentbird, I believe it is, where you can actually sample perfumes and they send you like little bottles and stuff. I haven't tried it myself, but I heard that it's actually good for those who want to invest in a nice fragrance. But you can also try some dupes if you can't quite put the money out for those designer fragrances. You will want to look up the type of notes that perfumes have, whether you want like a floral scent or a fruity scent or a clean classic, maybe even something like a little spicy. Definitely do the research and find out what fragrances. Even some other easy ways of trying on fragrances, you can definitely like rip the pages out of a fashion magazine, or if you like shop at Sephora, like I get points when I shop at Sephora, and this time around I chose to do like a fragrance sample bag. So this is definitely one way I would look into trying trying out new fragrances, especially when it comes to designer fragrances, so I know which ones I might be interested in if I want to drop a coin or two. But yeah, find your signature scent. Okay ladies, that is it. I am finally finished with all 7 tips that I feel like you should go ahead and dive into when it comes to doing self-care or trying to get that glow up that you definitely have been missing. Last thing I'm going to tell you, to make sure you own this journey, make sure you have fun with it, keep learning. Just know whatever you decide to do, whatever you decide to go with, it is your routine. It is something that makes you feel good every day, all the time. So don't feel bad or don't feel some kind of way if you don't do all 7. As long as you can at least get one of them done, it will help you with your whole mood and your whole self-care journey. Just do something to get yourself out of the rut. I hope that all 7 tips have helped you on where you need to start and to pick yourself back up and doing some self-care. If this video was very helpful, please let me know in the comments. Make sure you hit that like button, and if you have not subscribed already after watching this video, please make sure you subscribe. It would mean the world to me. On that note, I am gonna go ahead and let you enjoy your week or your weekend. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a great one.